I have fought the good fight, I have finished the race, and I have remained faithful. This is Apostle Paul's deeply moving confession of his unwavering faith and love for the gospel of Jesus Christ. One reason it is so recognizable is that this epistle was Paul's last letter before his execution. The good fight Apostle Paul refers to includes an incredible series of dangers that he faced in this race of life. Even in this, he proclaimed his victory in Christ. Today we are going to look at top 7 facts of Apostle Paul's life. Apostle Paul, who was before called Saul, encounters Jesus on the road to Damascus. Before Apostle Paul's conversion, he was dedicated to persecuting the early Christians in the area of Jerusalem. In Acts of the Apostles, Paul was traveling on the road from Jerusalem to Damascus on a mission to arrest Christians and bring them back to Jerusalem, when the resurrected Jesus appeared to him in a great light. Jesus didn't change Saul's name to Paul. Did you know that we see no instance where Jesus led Paul to change his name? In fact, Jesus addressed Saul on the road to Damascus as Saul, Saul. It was Saul who changed his name to Paul, where the name Paul means small. Paul's relatives are mentioned in the Bible. There are 7 relatives of Paul mentioned in the New Testament. They are Andronicus, Junia, Jason, Sosipater, and Lucius. In Acts 23, we have mention of Paul's father, who was a Pharisee, Paul's sister and his nephew, who saves him from a plot against his life. Apostle Paul was a major contributor to the New Testament. Yes, you heard it through. And he wrote this over a period of 17 years. And about half of that was written over a period of 3 years, from 61 to 63 AD. During this time, he wrote Philemon, Colossians, Ephesians, Philippians, Hebrews, 1 Timothy, and Titus. He wrote 4 of these letters in prison. And did you know that 13 of the 27 books in the New Testament have been attributed to Apostle Paul? Apostle Paul was called Apostle to the Gentiles. Of all the ways Apostle Paul affected Christianity, the biggest was arguably his role in spreading the gospel to non-Jewish communities. He certainly wasn't the only apostle to do so, but he is known as the apostle to the Gentiles because that's who Jesus specifically called him to minister to. He and other apostles agreed that this was his role, and that was undeniably the focus of his ministry. Apostle Paul waited 14 years before he started his missionary work. After Apostle Paul's conversion, he went straight into deserts of Arabia to meditate for 3 years. Paul claims the gospel he received was directly from Jesus. Then after 11 years, he went to Jerusalem for his missionary work. So total 14 years of waiting time. Apostle Paul was bitten by a viper on the hand, right in front of a group of natives on the island of Melita who knew very well how venomous the viper snake was, and so expected the Apostle Paul to swell up or fall down dead after he got bitten. Since he remained unharmed, they concluded that he was a god. This concludes our top facts on Apostle Paul. If these facts helped you to know more about Apostle Paul, then please click like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.